And this is how the process works. And if you look at here, we have a mixer, and this overloads here just to representation of what is in the field. So if I click on any of them, I must have a status here red to say that it's off. So if I go there, if I click there, it goes to red like that. That means there's a fault, I cannot start it. And it's the same with this one, goes red, so it's not available. So someone has to go in the field and actually reset these overloads for the process to run. So this process works like this. At 30%, the mixer starts, and it goes on until 100%. The moment it drops to 0, the mixer stops. You can see the mixer is on, it's running. And with the pumps, I have pop-up screen there. I can actually go and start this pump. I can start it, but the stop has to be closed, so I can start it there. So it's running now. So that pump goes on. The pump is on, valve is open. So you have now flow from there. And this pressure transmitter will tell you how much pressure is in the system. And this is just the temperature to tell you the temperature in this tank. So actually I have a counter there. As you can see, I have a counter. I have a counter behind that is counting. That's why you see this value changing. So I actually have two counter here. The movement. My counter is somewhere here. It's counter. Counter bit. So you have a counter there. There is a counter that's counting. There's a value there that is actually going in here. Same value. If you can see there is a counter. Okay, there you can see the counter, the 90, 97, 97, 98. So that's a value that is in there, and that will now, you can now have that replaced by actually a signal from the field that will read your temperature, and here you can have a signal that will read your pressure and all that. Obviously these two pumps might work now standby and duty, or both of them can work. So this one also has a pop-up screen. As you see the pop-up screen pop up, I can start that one also, so it starts running. So I can stop it. So once I stop it, then it goes off. I can also stop this, goes off, so I can start it. So with this stop, how it configured, this is just to invert a bit, so it stop it, it's on and off, so it stays on. Then I can start it like that. So it's not, the stop is closed, so I can start it, so it goes on. So to configure those buttons, you go to your screen. Let's say one of the screen here. There is a screen. So you have to add, these are pop-up screens that you have to add to your HMI. Just you go to your HMI. HMI. Then you add pop-up screens under pop-up screen. Pop-up screen, you can add a pop-up screen here. There is two screens for each pump, and they're actually the same, so each pop-up screen is stop. So this, you can actually convert this one in a faceplate or something like that. But you can have it like it's simple as that. Then you do property, and then you go to event. So with that stop, you can see there that stop, it's actually a click and it's inverted bit. So this is Wing CC, and this is surely automation. If you would like to use our services, please email me at surelyscc@gmail.com.